In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Look at the construction of a building. It takes time. Even if you do have all the labor, even if you do have all the materials, even if you have everything else, still the time is needed. Sometimes it takes months and sometimes it takes years. The time is needed. Without the time, nothing can be done. It is important to give thought, to give your thoughts reach the maturity level. Sometime now I have put forward the example of the building. I have put forward the example of the building. I have put forward the example of the pottery, mud containers, etc. Now there is another example which is far more important, far more understandable, applicable. These dealers, property dealers, motor dealers, other brokers, they are found motivating you to sell something, to buy something, to enter into an partnership agreement or something like that. They motivate you with the right or with the wrong arguments, least care, with the honest argument, with the dishonest. The work is they have decided to motivate you. They have decided to motivate their customers, clients, rather I shall say their victims. They have all sort of arguments: fair, unfair, legal, illegal, honest, dishonest, crooked or straight. They motivate you. Whatever they want from you, they want to buy something from you, they want to sell something to you, they want to buy something to you from you, they want to sell something from you. They are found you, motivating you. And once you are motivated, they don't want to give you the time. You have to sell something, you have to buy something, you have to enter into any sort of agreement, business or personal. They don't want to give you the time. They don't want you to go home and to think in a calm mood, to think patiently, to discuss it with your family, to discuss it with other people. They don't want to give you the time. They don't want to give you the time. That is the trouble. Why they don't want to give you the time? Because you will go home, you will think in a calm confidence, with a calm mood, cool mindedly. You will discuss it with the people. Then you will be unwilling to say yes. That is their modus operandi, that is their methodology, that is their the way they cheat others, the way they catch people, the way they put the people into the rat cage, entering the rat cage. They want to they want you to enter the rat cage. They want to enter you the rat cage. They want to trap you. How they are trapped. The right thing is never say yes. Never, ever, never, ever say yes. Always take time, always take time, always take time. If somebody is not willing to give you the time, then she is a crook. You must reach a conclusion, you must reach a decision that if at all somebody is not giving you the time, then she is a crook. They don't want you to think independently, they don't want you to think in a relaxed mood. They don't want you to think. Because they know that if you do think calmly, you will refuse. You are not going to say yes. You are not going to be trapped. You are not going to go into the rat cage. This is so. Now, what is the purpose of all this discussion? There are two aspects. One is how to protect ourselves from the middlemen, how to protect ourselves from the crooks. The other is the other is whenever a thought enters your mind, it might be exciting, it might be appealing, it might be apparently very beneficial, but later on you may have to think that this was bad, I should not have made that decision. Like you thought later on that I should not have entered into that agreement, I should not have sold that thing in on this conditions, on this price, I should not have bought this thing on that price. Repenting, regretting, making a bad deal. This thing is called making a bad deal. So we don't have to make a bad deal with ourselves. Anytime and every time we do conceive an idea, or even if it is entering our mind for the second or for the third time with a bit of different appearance, we need to give it a good amount of time. We need to think upon it in quite a calm, cool manner. Never be in a hurry, never be in a haste, never try to do the things instantly. Don't be impatient. Don't be impatient. Always be patient. Always exercise. This is the reason that exercising patience has been considered very much important, has been considered very much necessary. Without this patience, actually, without letting your thoughts mature, you are going to make a wrong decision and you are going to put your wrong decisions into practice. And what is the end result? Repentance, regret later on, that I made a bad deal, I should not have done that. Thank you. Jazakallah.